So ever since I've lived in this apartment, I've hated my overhead lights, and it's made me want to work in here less and less, and that's bad because this is my office, and I kind of gotta, do work. So I did something about it. I made a soft box. Softbox. So I spent about an hour or two on YouTube watching everyone's DIY videos, because I'm not made of money. As I understand it from my extensive research, a softbox is a reflective receptacle that allows light to bounce off its reflective surfaces and kind of focus it in, whereas regular room lights are just meant to kind of fill the room, So you make it where it's shaped like this guy here, so that it shapes the light. So here's a side profile where you can see mine is kind of trapezoidal of sorts. So I cut 4 very perfect shapes on the first try out of the abundance of cardboard that I own, and I put them together with packing tape. I then realized that I should have covered each side in the material that I chose, which was aluminum foil and aluminum tape. So I did that in backwards order, which was super cool. So you can leave your softbox as is with no covering, and you can just do that and it looks pretty alright, but otherwise you can add a diffusion layer made out of some kind of semi-transparent dealio, and it helps soften the light. For my diffusion layer, I chose parchment paper because it was readily available. I then made like a cardboard border kind of situation, a little rectangle guy. I then tried various forms of adhesion, which mostly all failed because it's parchment paper, folks, and it's non-stick. I resorted to panically adding hot glue and then covering the entire border of the rectangle with the parchment paper in gaff tape. Knock on wood, it's staying together and it's fine. It's fine. I was then able to clamp down my diffusion layer onto the box using little tape tabs that I made on the sides and then binder clips. This is in case I actually get good at making videos and I need to utilize a sharper and more harsh light source, then I can just take off the diffusion layer. So here's my super clean and organized office with the lights before, and I don't know, I just didn't like them. Like, they were kind of harsh and didn't really make me feel good. I don't know, I'm a whiny baby. So here's a picture of the lights as they were before. And here's a picture with the softbox on, but no diffusion layer. And you can see the shadow and the fringe. Good stuff. Buzzwords, people. And here's a crappy picture of the softbox with the diffusion layer on and my white balance set to I don't know on my phone. All right, now with a softbox, I have a more focused beam down in the center, and then there's some space on the fringe where there's actually like shadows in the room, which I kind of prefer because I can do things like, Alexa, change the overheads to light blue. And now, as far as moods are concerned, this actually feels way better than before where it was super harsh. Now it's soft. Love this. Alexa, change the overheads to green. Yeah. And now it's like a calm version of what it was before, where I basically couldn't use any other colors in here. This is rad. Alexa, change the overheads to white. And Alexa, change the overheads to 30%. Nice. All right, this is great. Thank you for watching my film.